Hi there, Serial Trader here. I just want to do a quick update on the S&P in particular here, and that's because I just want to point something out as we're approaching expiration Friday, which is 2 days from now, this coming Friday. And okay, so this is probably redundant for most, but we are in this impulsive sequence off the March 2020 lows. As it's labeled here, we have wave 1, then we have this ABC for the wave 2. We did this wave 3. Now I think the best take here is that we're squaring up a wave 4 to match the degree of this wave 2, because none of these other pullbacks have had the adequate duration to do that, but this one finally is in that territory. So let's just do something I want to point out. It's a time measurement, okay? Now let me just get the tool I'm looking for here. Here we go. Trend-based fib time. So if we just take the starting point of this correction to the end point of this correction, so that'll be the duration measurement, we'll drag this over to where I have wave 3 labeled as being complete after this 5-wave sequence to complete it. Now let's zoom in here a bit on this daily, and you can see equality. So if this whether it's an expanded flat or a running flat, if this completes here at the exact same amount of days consumed as the prior wave 2, that would bring us to Friday the 21st of January. Okay, so that's kind of a nice alignment with expiration Friday. And we know, going back, I'm not going to highlight them all, but if we go back and look at all the third Fridays of each month, expiration Friday, now not always, but very often, they marked a significant pivot for that particular month, and often a tradable low in most cases, I think. So I like that kind of confluence as far as the time there. Now, okay, if we come down here and actually take out, even if we just marginally take it out, this A wave low of 44.95.12, that would actually be satisfying, because then we'd have a nice expanded flat. If we fail to break that, it'll just have to be a running flat, which is fine as well. And there's also still the possibility, as long as we do hold that level, that this is also, if I just remove these labels, there's still the possibility that it is also just a triangle, still information, where we've done the A, the B, this will be the C, as long as we don't take out the A, and then we still need the D and the E, and then get up there in that, and let me just drop the degree of the triangle down, and then get up there in that 5th wave. But here's the thing, it almost won't look any different whether we hold this low as a proposed running flat, or we take out the low, make an expanded flat, or we do, the triangle where we also bottom here soon and then go up in the D and the E. Because either way, you should have a bottom of some magnitude established soon. You should get an initial move up and some sort of retracement down. So whether that's a 1, 2 of the new impulse wave after we've done the C of the flat, or the D, E of the triangle, and then we go up in the 5th wave, it'll almost really have the same feel to it, other than maybe the subdivisions of the D and the E will look more like a 3-wave move as opposed to a 5 and then a 3 down if it's the 1, 2 of the bigger 5 to come. So I just wanted to point that out. I thought it was worth mentioning since we are approaching that expiration Friday, and I just happened to notice, and let me just take off this other relationship. Yeah, I just happened to notice that, yeah, we are going to have a nice time equality relationship approaching, lining up with expiration day. I thought that was interesting to point out. And just personally myself, I am already starting to build a long ES futures position for the March contract. And keyword starting, I do want to see some sort of impulsive reaction once we do bottom to start adding to it, but nothing wrong with starting a position and then, of course, adding to it later upon confirmation. So that's where I'm at with that. Hopefully that's helpful. See what happens leading up to expiration Friday. Serial Trader signing off.